This one's pretty good. The hard truth about money. Your new car is a $50,000 mistake. That's right. I've got a dirty little secret to share. That new car smell, it's actually the smell of money burning. That new car is a $50,000 mistake that will set your financial freedom journey back years. And on a side note, I know this personally because I have coworkers that are working and miserable because of a car payment. But let's get back to the script. Here's the impact. A new car is one of the worst, the absolute worst financial decisions someone can make. It's a depreciating asset, a fancy term for something that loses value the second you drive it off the lot. The second you drive that motherfucking car off the lot, it loses so much value. The average American has a car payment of well over $500 a month. Don't you realize that $6,000 a year you're spending on a liability? If you were to invest that $500 every month for 10 years, you'd have over 80 grand, assuming just a modest 8% return. That's the difference between making work optional and being stuck in the motherfucking rat race. My challenge to you today, what's your monthly car payment? Now go and calculate what that money could be worth in 10 years if you were to invest it instead. And if you're not on the path to financial freedom yet, it's time to reevaluate how you get around. I've never had a car payment, I never will. The car I'm in right now recording this video is paid for. And I am way, way, way happier than my coworkers. Hey, thanks for watching. See you next time.